As the sun sets, the bamboo factory stands in quiet grandeur, a testament.
Here, in the heart of the bamboo forest, the first light of dawn illuminates countless bamboo stalks.
Every bamboo stalk is carefully chosen for its strength and quality, ensuring only the finest bamboo is taken for processing.
Every bamboo stalk undergoes careful inspection, ensuring only the highest quality bamboo moves forward in production.
With precision and care, workers cut each bamboo stalk, respecting the natural rhythm of the forest. Freshly cut bamboo is stacked and prepared for the journey from forest to factory, ready for transformation.
Loaded with bamboo, trucks travel through winding paths, carrying nature's gift to the processing facility.
At the bamboo factory, the harvested bamboo arrives, ready to begin its journey from raw material to finished product.
In the cutting area, precision machines work alongside skilled hands to shape each bamboo stalk perfectly.
Sorting bamboo by size ensures precision in production, a crucial step in crafting high-quality bamboo products. The bamboo strips are laid out with care, each one ready for the next stage of production. Bamboo is cut into exact lengths, a vital step to maintain uniformity and quality in the final products. Industrial machines polish the bamboo, revealing the natural beauty and texture hidden within each stalk. Steaming the bamboo softens it, making it flexible and ready for shaping into various forms. Skilled hands bend the bamboo, transforming it into elegant shapes while preserving its strength.
Natural oils are applied, enhancing the bamboo's color and protecting it for future use.
Sanding the bamboo removes rough edges, leaving a smooth and polished surface.
Natural fiber ropes secure bamboo joints, combining traditional methods with modern efficiency.
Assembled bamboo frames move along the line, ready for finishing touches and final inspections.
Protective varnish is applied, giving the bamboo a beautiful sheen while safeguarding it from wear. Processed bamboo is stored carefully, maintaining order and easy access for ongoing production. Bamboo is cut into fine strips, perfect for weaving baskets, mats, and other handcrafted items. Each bamboo basket is inspected meticulously, ensuring only the best quality reaches customers.
Shelves are assembled piece by piece, reflecting both skill and teamwork in the bamboo factory.
Natural stains enhance the bamboo, giving furniture pieces a rich, uniform color and finish.
Floor panels are polished to perfection, ready to bring the elegance of bamboo into homes.
Final inspections ensure each bamboo product meets the high standards of craftsmanship and durability.
Each bamboo package is labeled accurately, ready to leave the factory with pride and precision.
Bamboo furniture undergoes strength tests, ensuring every joint is secure and durable for daily use.
From above, the entire bamboo production line comes to life, a symphony of coordination and skill.
The beauty of bamboo is captured in photographs, showcasing its natural texture and elegance.
Tools are cleaned and maintained carefully, critical for precise bamboo craftsmanship.
Scraps of bamboo are recycled, emphasizing the factory's commitment to sustainability and efficiency.
Experienced workers train new staff, passing down the skills needed to handle bamboo with care. Finished bamboo products are loaded onto trucks, ready to be delivered to homes and stores.
Straps and ropes secure bamboo products tightly, protecting them during transport. The truck departs, carrying bamboo products on their journey from factory to consumer. Bamboo logs fall into storage with precision, ready for the next stages of production.
The factory manager inspects every step of bamboo production, ensuring excellence and consistency.
Golden hour light reveals the beauty of bamboo, casting warmth across the workshop.
Shipment lists are verified, ensuring every bamboo package reaches its correct destination. Forklifts transport bamboo packages efficiently, highlighting the organized workflow of the factory.